Parallel symbol. Two vertical lines next to each other. A vertical equals. The parallel symbol is two vertical bars, a little like a vertical equals sign. Another symbol with two vertical bars is that for absolute value, parentheses, vertical bar, -6 vertical bar, and parentheses. The context is what will show if absolute value is being discussed, or whether parallel lines is meant. The absolute value symbol has the value in question in between the vertical bars, parentheses, vertical bar, -6 vertical bar, end parentheses. The parallel symbol places the two vertical bars between the names of two or more lines. Given line M and line N, M is vertical bar, N, says that line M is parallel to line N. If we had a third line, line P, and it is also parallel to line M and N, then we can write M, two vertical bars, N, two vertical bars, P. Remember that parallel is when two or more lines lie in the same plane and never touch or cross. The symbol for perpendicular lines is the plus symbol with the bottom tail cut off, a horizontal line with a vertical line 90 degrees out of it. If we are given two lines, M and N, and then told that M perpendicular symbol N, then we know that line M is perpendicular to line N. The symbol for parallel is two vertical bars. Antonyms: perpendicular symbol. Related words: parallel, perpendicular, plane.